Hi, this is me from Mimi's Paper Crafting. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are doing our I just took that out. I'm gonna have to figure out where that went. Our last March Make a Journal 2026 video. This has been a lot of fun for me. I don't know, like, about you guys. I don't usually do a specific theme. I do for other people. I've had some people contact me and ask me to make them custom journals with specific themes, and they're so fun when I do that, but I don't usually do it for myself. So this was actually really fun for me. But by this point, you should have a completely done journal. My journal is completely done, and we're just going to do a final flip through of it. So let's get into it. First of all, let's talk about how my kid came downstairs, asked for just now, and asked if I had any pencils, and I said they're in the drawer over there. So he opens up the drawer, and it's a huge pack of pencils. He's like, I'm gonna take these. I said, fine, but can you leave me 2 in case I need pencils? So he takes out 2, throws them to me. I miss, they land on the floor. So he bends down to pick them up and finds my long pin, one of the long pins I've been missing from my Barely Art glue. Young eyes, I'm telling ya. All right, so here we have the cover. Look how thick this thing is already. And I think I know what the problem is, and I might have to actually, these just fell off. I might actually have to get rid of what's in there because it's making it too thick and it's kind of annoying me. But we have our charm, and on our charm is a kitty cat, okay, a crown, a telephone, a popsicle, a fleur-de-lis, a key, a music note, and a little tassel. And here we have our faux wax seal, a big TM. And if you open this up, it's Velcroed. If you open this up, inside it does have the date. So I'm using this for next month. Oh, I got glue right there. Let's get that off. If you don't have a glue eraser, you should have one. They used to sell them at Dollar Tree. I don't know if they still do. I got mine on Amazon before they started selling them at Dollar Tree. And then just close it with the Velcro. All right, so I used for my cover chipboard, and then I just used all the scraps from cutting my pages down to do my inside cover. All right, so we have a little, let's see here. I have this thing. We have a little camper van or caravan that is a pocket. I did have some cow print washi. I have it right here in front of me so I can use it whenever. I just put it back in the drawer and it did not go where it was supposed to, and I'm never going to remember it's there. So I'm just going to put it off to the side, even though it's February 7th and I'm not going to need this journal till April. Here, these are the things that are causing it problems. I might end up just taking those off and doing I think that's what I'll do. I'm going to take these off, and I'm just going to do a piece of paper, and maybe I'll just print out a picture of a wax seal. It's giving it too much bulk. And then a little bulldog clip to hold it in. Here's my little shed and the little cow. The cow is so freaking stinking cute, you guys. And then some more cow washi and a clipboard. Let me take that one off and get rid of the glue. Yeah, I didn't think when I put them on how they would be. And there's already bulk because I did use Velcro to keep it shut. But these are little tags. Then I just have this page with this strip. I should put a strip of washi on there. Look, I'm already not fine because I think the washi with the things would be cute. Let's just put a strip of washi across. And I'm just tearing. I'm not even being fancy. Just tearing. Same with on that side. But the black and the white. All right. And then I have a little envelope here. It's empty, and I just put down some washi to hold it closed for now. It did just tear, which is so weird. Washi doesn't usually tear paper, but it just tore that paper over there. But I'll be able to just pull it up and add stuff in and then close it down when I'm done with it. A film strip. And this is a little tuck spot. So I can just tuck something in there. Oh, I didn't realize I put the film strip so close together. Yeah, well, another film strip. Oh, another one of these damn cows. That cow is so darn cute. The duck. The duck, I just fell in love with the duck. And then another one of these paper clips with an egg tag. Another ruler. A duck. I think this one's not, but the other barn up here is a pocket. Okay. Oh, my kid's printing something. Hold on. All right, my kid had to print stuff, so I don't know where I was. This is a pocket here. I don't know. I don't remember if I said that, but a little pocket again right here. Another clipboard. Let me take that off. I'm like so mad at myself that I didn't think about how much bulk that would put in the journal. Another bulldog clip. Stupid cow. So darn cute. Just an egg and then the cow washi. Another envelope. It's empty. There's nothing in it. Another barn. I think this one. Yep, this one's also a pocket. Clipboard. Egg. That's just glued down. Another one of these. And the thing that came off. And then another film strip. Ducky. Such a cutie. And then I believe these are extra. I know I put extra in because I'm an idiot and every other time I don't ever have enough. So I put extra in. So I just put washi on the bottom of the one and was like, oh wait, I think these are extra. So that, and that got rid of, look at how much bulk that got rid of. That got rid of a good amount of bulk. So it's not as bulky as it was. So that is my finished March Make a journal. I really like how this came out. Those ducks and those cows are so darn cute. I can't even handle it. Why is it so darn cute? They shouldn't be that cute. It should be illegal to be that cute. But this is done. So March Make a Journal is done for 2026. And if you like this, okay, I have other videos, other playlists of September Build-A-Journals for the past 2023, 2024, and 2025. So 3 years of September Build-A-Journal are down below. Not down below. They're a playlist. I will link the playlist also down below in this video. So they're there for you. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. My kid is here again. He's driving me bonkers. Have a great rest of your day. Hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next crafty video. He's dancing behind me.